Katkum ka jing ya lenti jong ka program ai jing tip halor ka jing poi benai ka jing le khoj bat ban penduk pendam ya ki jing nget biet ki nong trai mon sngo bhana JCI Kamrup Elite ki la let ngo ya ka Shillong Balika Vidyalaya Secondary School hene ka sngi Kani ka program ai jing tip katkum ka phang let's make a difference ka long ban ai jing tip bat ban ai bor ya ki khna ken thai Kaken hon jong ki doktor bat ki nong tray ka kwat ka khia na JCI Kamrup Elite kila penlong ya ka jingelang na ka benta ki khna school. Habaya kren bat ka doktor Mobika ha Shillong kalau ong ba shibun ki program ai jingtip la penlong ha shibun ki jaka henrei halor ka jingpoi benai kalong ka sien ka beningkong namar ka danglong kum ka jinget biet ha ka imlang ka salang.
It was regarding the menstrual cycles. We came here to for the awareness of the menstruation, which is a very normal process, which is still a taboo in the society. So it was a good interactive session. I hope everyone understood. And I just wanted to add one line. सही मासिक इंतजाम हो, सही सही सब काम हो, पढ़ना लिखना आगे बढ़ना, कभी ना रुकना ठान लो. This is for all the girls out there.